Hi you guys, hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then hi, it's me Bhuvneshwari and I make videos upon skincare, makeup, lifestyle and what else do we need? So guys, today's video will be upon a very nice pamper routine. You are going to love it and you are going to feel relaxed. I will feel more relaxed because I will be doing the steps upon myself. You can follow it with me as well. So guys, because the wedding season is here and we have a blast of weddings here and there every now and then. So I'm going to pamper my skin for all the weddings so that I don't miss anyone and I will stay glowing. So guys, today I will be using the Nature Essence facial kit. I have got so many facial kits from the range and so I want to show it to you and let's pamper our skin together. And so voila guys, I have changed my outfit. Now just give me a minute. I will go and remove this entire face of makeup and then we will start with our pamper routine, skincare routine, facial routine, whatever you want to say, you can.
So guys, out of the all range, I will be using this golden glowing gold range. So the first step is the detan therapy, and this is the pre-facial step in which it will like lighten our detan or remove the tan. So I am applying it to my face as well as neck also. So once the mask is dried out after 10 to 15 minutes, I am spritzing some water and massaging my face before wiping it off. I like to massage the mask or whatever thing it is before removing it. And now I will go and rinse it off. So the first step is cleansing scrub. So there is slight and little very nice gentle scrubbing granules. So I'm using it and I'm very gently massaging my entire face, and I will also be massaging my neck because I wanted to pamper my neck as well. We always tend to forget to clean our neck, but it is also very essential to keep our neck clean. Now I will do it for 1 minute and then I will rinse it off. So now I'm applying the massage cream. I'm so sorry guys, I forgot to shot the product, and but now I'm using the massage cream and I'm massaging my face very nicely using different facial steps, massage steps, just pinching off the skin or maybe scissor steps or kneading steps, all of that. So now moving into the third step, this was a gel kind of consistency cream and it made me feel so cool, calm and relaxed. I just love this. So after the massage, you don't need to wipe off the massage cream. You can just apply it and layer it on. So once I'm done with this, I will massage it for 1 to 2 minutes and then I will let it dry, and we will move to our last and fourth step. So the last step is applying a face pack, and I'm applying face pack. So the face pack is the final step and it will give us the ultimate glow while removing all the germs and lightening our skin and giving it gold like glow. So I hope you like this video and you will follow the steps, and it was so helpful for you, I think so, and it was also informative for you, I feel. So bye guys. So again, once this mask is dried out, I'm spritzing some water and massaging it as I have done earlier before removing the mask, and you can clearly see the glow in my face, I hope.
So guys, I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. You can already see the glow on my face while I was doing the facial steps. So you can now do the same facial steps at your doorstep, at your home, the comfort of your home, and without spending a lot of money by visiting salons. So guys, do try this in your home and I'm sure you will get the results very soon. So if you have also tried these products earlier, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video guys. Bye bye. Take care. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Keep glowing.